choose Columban College for nursing? Is it passion, pressure, or purpose?
Nursing is more than just a course. It is a journey. And in Columban College, each year shapes students into something more.
Samahan niyo kaming i-explore ang journey ng nursing student mula first year hanggang fourth year.
We are here with a first-year nursing student and her name is...
Maywin po.
So our first question po is, why did you choose Columban College for nursing?
Hindi ko naman po siya totally first choice. Ang first choice ko po kasi yung sa my PRIMSO po. But hindi naman po ako Then, sabi po nila mama ko na dito na lang daw po ako mag-aral sa Gapo since malapit lang daw po tsaka mataas din naman daw po yung mga ratings dito and kaya po dito na po ako nag-aral.
So our next question naman po, what keeps you going despite challenges?
Parents ko po kasi po sila po yung nagbibigay ng mga mga needs ko po here and also wala naman din po akong choice kundi ipagpatuloy ito kasi po dream ko din po kasi maging nurse.
So our last question naman po, as a first-year nursing student, ano po yung pinaka-most excited ka about?
Clinical duty, ganun. Tapos yung excited po ako sa injection pagdating sa RL, yun po.
So again, for our first-year student, we are here with...
Maywin po.
Thank you so much.
Welcome po.
Thank you po. So we are here now with...
Christine Rodriguez po.
And you are a...
BSN 2B po.
So our first question po is, why did you choose Columban College for nursing?
So, pinili ko yung Columban College. So, aside sa convenient siya sa akin, nakita ko rin kasi yung mga comments po kasi may kakilala ko before dito na higher year then nirecommend sa akin yung Columban College. Sabi nga nila maganda daw yung program ng nursing. So, since malapit lang din ako dito, nag-go na ako dun sa opportunity.
So for our second question naman po, what keeps you going despite challenges?
Siguro sa family. So, parang gusto ko kasi makatulong sa family. So, from pursuing this career, so makakatulong din ako sa kanila. Mag-give back ko yung mga parang sacrifices nila for me. Financially din.
Next question po, as a second-year nursing student, ano po yung biggest adjustment po so far?
Biggest adjustment ko is yung time management. So, lahat naman siguro makaka-relate sa time management kasi nga, ngayon nga yung pressure ng ACADS, then yung meron din ako mga responsibilities sa labas. So, kailangan kong i-manage talaga yung time ko na ng maayos na hindi ako magkakaroon ng backlog sa ACADS ko, then sa buhay ko din sa ibang responsibilities.
Thank you so much po. So, again, we are here with Miss
Christine po.
a second-year nursing student. For our third-year nursing students, we have here
Miss Charmaine Cyrus Ferrer
and Miss Angel Partner.
So for our first question naman po, why did you choose Columban College for nursing?
The best factor here in Columban College Nursing is we have the Christ-centered. So dahil galing din ako sa Catholic school or DIFE, so I choose Columban College kasi aside from tinuturuan tayo dito na maging Christ-centered, so nagagamit natin siya all throughout natin from first year to fourth year, and as a third year nursing student, nagagamit ko talaga yung pagiging Christ-centered ko, na-apply ko siya sa duty and then sa academics. So aside doon, the best ang Columban here kasi at natuturuan tayo dito, being a Christ-centered, nalilearn natin and nabibuild natin yung pagiging empathetic and therapeutic communication natin sa mga pasyente natin during hospital duties.
Thank you so much po for that answer. For our next question naman po, what keeps you going despite challenges?
Madami na rin din po kasi akong na-sacrifice yung time. Para saan pa kung hindi ko siya itutuloy, di ba? And para din sa family po. As I journey po to this course, na-enjoy ko na rin din po siya.
For our last question naman po, as a third-year nursing student, ano po yung pinaka-challenging na na-experience nyo during duty po?
For me, yung pinaka-challenging, yung kung paano ka kakausap ng patient, lalong-lalo na kapag namatayan yung patient. Sobrang hirap kasi yun, hindi mo alam kung paano sila i-comfort, kung anong sasabihin mo sa kanila para mabawasan yung nararamdaman nila. So, sobrang hirap talaga nun kasi ikaw din magiging emotional ka ng mga oras na yun.
Thank you so much po. Again, we are here with third year nursing students po.
Hello, I'm Jairus Diaz, a fourth-year student nurse in Columban College, and I chose my school because I know and I'm confident that I will acquire quality education here in Columban College, and by not having to enroll in famous universities and colleges in the Philippines. So what keeps me going despite the challenges? So first, my family. Second, because of my girlfriend. And third is because despite my difficulties, I always strive and want to help people in need, especially in critical moments. And those are enough motivation for me to keep on going in this hard career. I think I feel 75% ready to become a nurse. And this is because during my clinical exposure, I didn't really get the opportunity to experience or to be exposed in all situations, because not all theoretical situations happen in my duties. So yeah, I'm not 100% ready because of those reasons, and it's a high 75% because I know that I'm confident and flexible in any type of situation, and I am always willing to learn. Thank you.